Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's number is number 11. Which number is this? Number 11. We will count different objects, identify, trace as well. So, first of all, what we have to do, we will count how many hens are there. Today it's your turn. You will count. Okay. 1, 2, I will help you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11 hens. 11 hens flap their wings in the sun. So, let's do action like a hen. Flap your arms like wings and pretend to bask in the sun. Yes, exactly like that. Very good. Now, you know how to count. Now we will learn how to trace number 11. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. 10 and 1 make 11. How? Okay, these are coins. Let's count with me. And here's also 10 rupee note. Here is one coin and 10 rupee note. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 1, 11. Okay, look over here. Look at your teacher. Here is, she has 10 pencils in her right hand and 1 pencil in her left hand. 10 and 1. Yes, exactly. 11. Very good. So, let's come with me. We will go outside and we will collect some leaves and after that we will count the leaves. Okay, now count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many leaves are there? 11 leaves. Okay, 10 and 1, 11. I hope so you enjoyed a lot and you know. Which number is this? This is number 11. 11 hens in a sunny spot, clucking and packing, they like a lot. Clucking and packing, they like a lot. Feathers fluffy, eggs so round, hens are happy all around. Hens are happy all around. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.